Hello, thanks for tuning in again to Copiun to view our video demonstrations. This particular demonstration will cover the creation of policies and service level thresholds. Once logged in as the administrator, we'll go to policies on the left-hand side. Quickly at a glance, we can expand to see what policies we've created. To create a new policy, click on Policies. From there, click on Add New Policy. Here, we give the policy a name. We'll call it Test. We also then give it a description. You can then choose your operating system level, whether they're going to be XP users, Vista users, or 7 users. On the next screen, you'll see that Copiun has pre-created logical objects to quickly check off and add into the backup set. It's as simple as checking here. We can then change the backup frequency to once a day, once a week, or as they change. You can also change the retention period for that particular logical object. We can change it to be X amount of days, X amount of weeks, or if you prefer years, we can customize the application. If there are other directories or logical objects which you want in the backup set, simply add them here. Anything you don't want backed up will be found in section 2. We can exclude folders, files, and extensions. Again, Copiun has predefined folders, files, and extensions to make your life and setup a lot easier. On the next screen, we give you the ability to apply the following settings. You can create a VSS snapshot before performing scheduled backups, and you can also enable throttling at the single PC level. On our next screen is where we define and set up service level thresholds. If you have over 100 users, it could be quite painful to manage those users due to human error. Users close laptops, disconnect from the network, and lose internet connections quite often. Rather than receiving false negatives on a daily basis, you can customize service levels to help minimize the amount of false negatives you receive. For example, maybe your sales team doesn't connect to the backup server for more than 3 days. Is that truly a problem? Rather than have it notify you each day, you can say, notify me if a PC has not contacted the backup server for more than 3 days. Or, notify me if a file fails to back up more than 10 times. Or, notify me if X amount of consecutive backups fail before a successful backup. By doing this, the amount of false negatives will be reduced greatly. From there, we save. Once we save, our policy has been created. From there, we can simply go into our policy and at a glance make any changes. We thank you for your time and hope to hear from you soon.